Hi kids, we're back with Shopkins Play-Doh fun time, and I am going to make Adam Apple today. So I feel like I'm getting better at it little by little, and I'm gonna try to tackle this little guy today out of Play-Doh. So instead of starting with the pink, I think I'm gonna start with making the eye first. So let's do the white part of the eye. I'm gonna just get some white and gonna roll it, and I'm gonna use our rolling stick to smooth it out. So that's the white. So now we need the black. And it looks like if it has a little white sparkle in its eye, so we're gonna put that little sparkle too. And there you go. That looks pretty good. Just trying to make the eye a little bit more round with the black. Using my nail to shape it. Okay. So now we're gonna put the eye. This little tool here to lift it. Oh, it's not lifting. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna use pink to make Adam the apple. So I'm gonna just try to mold it the way a normal apple looks. So let's see if we could get rid of all of the creases. And this side we're going to cover with the leaf in a little bit. So for now we're just going to keep pressing so it looks nice and small on the bottom and a little bit bigger on top. Okay, so he kind of has little feet. We're just going to do this to kind of mold the feet. Maybe we could use a knife so that we can press down and then push up. There we go. And we're gonna do the indentation for each one. So we're gonna need some green to make the leaf. That's gonna cover the eye. Get our roller to roll it out. Try to cut the shape of a leaf out. Let's see. And it's kind of long too. But my apple is a little bit shorter, so I think I'm going to do it right about there. So I'm going to put the leaf right above the way it is. So it looks like if it's kind of covering one eye. So I'm going to move it over a little bit more to the side, but I'm going to make it a little pointy because it's pointy on Adam Apple. So point it out, curve it. Covering one eye right here, and then we're gonna put the eye over here. That looks pretty good. I'm kind of liking this one a lot already. So, and we can use our little tool to kind of make the cut of the leaf like that. really good. I'm actually really happy with this one. Let's see. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. Now she has another, or he has another leaf on the side. So we're gonna do another little one. We're gonna smooth it out on the sides. Oh, I really like this one. Maybe next time I could just do a flower. No, actually, I like doing the Shopkins. Like I said, it's challenging because I try my hardest to make them match the real thing. So, and then this one is kind of pointed up, so I'm gonna leave it pointing up. That looks really, really cool. And I'm gonna do the line of the leaf, like on the other one. I'm hoping you're liking this one. I'm really proud of this one so far. And we're gonna do the stem of the apple. Put it up here. And we're missing 2, 3 eyelashes, the eyebrow. So let's get some black. And these are really tiny, they don't have to be big. So we're gonna do 1 eyelash. Let's see, I can grab it. One's pointing up, and then the other ones are pointing down. So the other 2 go in the bottom. And we're missing a little nose, a tiny, tiny little pink nose. This one right here. And you can see the mouth. It's also pink, but you can tell that it's right there, and it has its tongue sticking out. So we're gonna do the mouth, and we're gonna use this tool again to do the mouth. So, and I'm going to use the moon shape because it actually has the shape of the moon. So let's see how this goes. Right here in the bottom. So we have the nose, we have the mouth, we just need the tongue, and that one's white on this. So I'm just going to do a little tongue sticking out. She's having fun too. And we're gonna do the cut of the tongue. There we go. And all we need now is little hands. So here goes one arm. We need you to stick on there. There we have it. I finished my Adam Apple Shopkin, and I think I did a good job. Let me know in the comments below if you love my Shopkin as much as I do. I think it looks really cute. What do you think? Show me if you can do a better Shopkin in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to look and compare. I really like mines. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in and watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and watch me create more Shopkins. Bye guys.